$250 per day. Top 12 websites to make money online. Welcome back to Prosperity Pursuit, where we explore innovative ways to make money online. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to make money online. Today, we've compiled a list of 12 fantastic websites that can help you boost your income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or establish a full-time career, these platforms have something for everyone. To make money, you don't always have to spend money. There are websites that can assist you if you want to start a side business to make a regular part-time income, or if you just need some quick extra cash. We'll delve into their operations, standout features, potential challenges, and the time required to achieve meaningful results. First on our list is TaskRabbit.com. TaskRabbit.com is a versatile platform that connects people in need of various services with skilled individuals who can complete those tasks. Users post tasks they need assistance with, such as house cleaning, moving, or handyman services. Taskers create profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and rates. They can browse and apply for available tasks in their area. TaskRabbit offers a wide range of tasks, allowing taskers to find work that suits their skills and interests. Taskers can choose when and where they want to work, offering flexibility to fit their lifestyles. The platform handles payments, providing a secure and convenient way for taskers to get paid. Depending on your location and the services you offer, competition among taskers can be fierce. Positive reviews are crucial for building a strong reputation, and negative feedback can impact future job opportunities. Time required. Earnings on TaskRabbit.com can vary based on your availability, skills, and the demand for your services. With consistent work, you can achieve meaningful financial results relatively quickly. Second on the list is Upwork.com, a popular freelance marketplace that connects clients with freelancers offering a wide range of services, from writing to web development. Freelancers create profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and rates. Clients post job listings. Freelancers browse job listings and submit proposals detailing how they would approach the project and their cost. Global opportunities. Upwork allows freelancers to work with clients from around the world, expanding their client base. The platform offers a wide array of job categories, enabling freelancers to find work that aligns with their expertise. Upwork handles payments securely, ensuring freelancers receive compensation for their work. Competition. Upwork has a large pool of freelancers, making it competitive to secure jobs. Client trust. Building trust with clients and delivering high-quality work is crucial for long-term success. Time required. Earning a substantial income on Upwork.com may take time as you build your reputation and client base. However, consistent work can lead to meaningful financial results over time. Next we have ThredUp.com. ThredUp.com is an online thrift store and consignment platform where you can sell and buy secondhand clothing and accessories. Request a clean-out kit from ThredUp, fill it with gently used clothing, and send it back. ThredUp evaluates and lists items for sale. Shoppers can browse a wide selection of second-hand clothing at discounted prices. ThredUp handles the selling process, making it easy for sellers to monetize their clothing items. ThredUp promotes sustainability by extending the life of clothing and reducing textile waste. A vast user base increases the potential for sales. ThredUp has strict quality standards, and not all items may be accepted for resale. Pricing competition. Prices for second-hand clothing can be competitive, affecting your earnings. Time required. Building a consistent income on ThredUp.com may take some time, but it can become a steady source of earnings with regular listings. Next on our list is Gazelle.com, a trusted online platform that specializes in buying and selling used electronics. If you have old smartphones, tablets, or other gadgets gathering dust, Gazelle can help you turn them into cash. Selling electronics. The process is straightforward. Visit Gazelle.com, select your device, provide information about its condition, and receive an instant quote. If you accept the offer, Gazelle will provide a prepaid shipping label, and once they receive your device, you'll get paid via PayPal or a check. Buying electronics. Gazelle refurbishes and resells used electronics. They offer competitive prices for devices in good condition, making it a convenient option for buyers looking to save money. Gazelle streamlines the selling process, making it hassle-free for sellers. They provide competitive prices for used devices. Gazelle promotes recycling by extending the lifespan of electronics. Condition requirements. Gazelle may offer lower prices for devices in less than perfect condition. Market fluctuations. The value of electronics can change, impacting your potential earnings. Selling your device on Gazelle can be a quick process, with payment received within a few days of shipping. Next, we have CardSell.com, which offers a unique opportunity to monetize gift cards and unused store credit. If you have gift cards you won't use, you can list them on CardSell.com. Provide details about the card's value, expiration date, and selling price. Buyers can browse a wide selection of discounted gift cards and store credit, saving money on future purchases. CardSell.com hosts a variety of gift cards, making it appealing to a broad audience. The platform uses secure payment methods to protect both buyers and sellers. Engage with a community of buyers and sellers, enhancing your experience. Depending on the card's popularity, you may face competition from other sellers. Some gift cards may require verification, which can prolong the selling process. Selling a gift card on CardSell.com typically takes a few days to a few weeks, depending on demand. Neighbor.com is a peer-to-peer storage marketplace that allows individuals to rent out their unused storage space. If you have extra storage space, such as a garage or attic, you can list it on Neighbor.com. Set your price and availability. People looking for storage can browse listings, book a space, and store their belongings securely. Neighbor.com offers a passive income source by monetizing unused space. The platform provides insurance coverage for stored items, giving peace of mind to both parties. List your space on your terms, adjusting prices and availability as needed. Location and demand. Earnings may vary based on the demand for storage in your area. Building trust with renters and ensuring security are essential considerations. Time required. Earning money on Neighbor.com may take longer initially, but with consistent rentals, it can become a steady income stream. Next we have UserInterviews.com. UserInterviews.com is a platform that connects businesses and researchers with individuals willing to participate in user research studies. Participating in studies. Register as a participant and provide your profile information. When a relevant study becomes available, you'll receive an invitation. Participation often involves interviews, surveys, or usability testing. Hosting studies. If you are a business or researcher, you can list your studies on the platform, specifying your target audience. Participants apply, and you select the most suitable candidates. You can participate in studies at your convenience, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles. Earn while helping. You get compensated for sharing your opinions and insights. Studies cover a wide range of topics, keeping engagement fresh. Competition. Depending on your demographic, you may face competition from other participants. Selection process. Not all applicants are chosen for every study, and eligibility can be limited. Time required. Earnings on UserInterviews.com depend on the frequency of available studies and your demographic fit, but it's possible to make money relatively quickly. Another website to make some good bucks is 99designs.com. 99designs.com is a platform that connects freelance designers with businesses seeking design services. Design contests. Businesses create design contests with specific requirements. Designers submit their concepts, and the business chooses a winning design to purchase. One-on-one projects. Businesses can also hire designers directly for one-on-one projects based on their portfolios and proposals. Designers can explore a wide range of design categories, from logos to web pages. Design contests allow clients to choose from a variety of design concepts. Designers can work with clients from around the world. Competition. There's fierce competition among designers for winning contests. Income consistency. Earnings may fluctuate depending on your success in contests and the demand for your design skills. Time required. Building a reputation and client base on 99designs.com may take time, but it can yield meaningful results with persistence and high-quality work. Swap.com is an online thrift store where you can buy, sell, or swap secondhand clothing, accessories, and more. Create an account, photograph your items, and list them for sale or swap. You can set your prices or accept offers. Browse the vast selection of pre-owned items, often at discounted prices compared to traditional retail. Swap.com promotes eco-friendly shopping by extending the life of clothing and reducing waste. Large marketplace. The platform boasts a vast and diverse user base, increasing your potential sales. Quality control. Buyers expect accurate item descriptions and quality, which can impact your reputation as a seller. Time required. Earnings on swap.com depend on your inventory, pricing strategy, and marketing efforts. It may take some time to establish a steady income stream. Another popular platform is OfferUp.com. OfferUp.com is a popular platform for buying and selling a wide range of goods, making it a versatile avenue for generating income. Create an account, snap photos of items you want to sell, and create listings. You can set your prices, add descriptions, and interact with potential buyers. OfferUp encourages local transactions, allowing buyers to find items near them and sellers to facilitate convenient pickup or delivery. With millions of users, OfferUp provides a broad marketplace for your listings. You can sell almost anything, from electronics to furniture and clothing. In-app messaging and ratings enhance trust and security in transactions. Competition. Depending on your location and the items you sell, you may face competition from other sellers. Negotiations. Be prepared for negotiations, as buyers often expect lower prices. Time required. Earning money on OfferUp.com can be relatively quick, depending on the demand for your items and your pricing strategy. Fatlama is a platform that allows you to rent out your unused equipment and gear, making it an excellent option for monetizing your possessions. Sign up and create listings for equipment you're willing to rent. Provide details and quality images, and set your rental price and duration. Users can browse listings, rent equipment, and arrange for pickup or delivery. Fatlama hosts a wide variety of items, from cameras to power tools, making it appealing to a broad audience. The platform uses secure payment methods to protect both renters and owners. Insurance coverage. Fatlama offers insurance to protect your items during rentals. Ensuring your rented items are well maintained is essential for maintaining a positive reputation. Your earnings may depend on the demand for the items you're renting out. Establishing a consistent income on Fatlama may take some time, but it can become a steady source of earnings with consistent rentals. Finally, we have Wonder, which offers a unique opportunity to earn money by conducting research and providing answers to questions. Apply to become a researcher, submit an application, showcase your expertise, and undergo a qualification process. As a qualified researcher, you'll receive research tasks related to various topics. You provide detailed answers based on your expertise. Wonder rewards you for your knowledge and expertise on a wide range of subjects. You can work on research tasks at your convenience, making it ideal for those with busy schedules. Application process. Becoming a qualified researcher can be competitive, and not all applicants are accepted. Ensuring the accuracy and quality of your research is crucial for long-term success. Time required. The time it takes to earn meaningful income on Wonder depends on the volume and complexity of the research tasks you complete. That wraps up our list of 12 websites to make money online in 2023. Whether you have skills to offer, items to sell, or simply want to participate in research, these platforms provide various opportunities to boost your income. Remember to do your due diligence and always prioritize safety when conducting transactions online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to make money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.